What's up, guys? I hope all of you are staying safe. And today, I have made an interesting thing, and this interesting thing is about the PIR sensor. Do you think whenever you go into your room, whenever you go outside from your room, the bulb will be automatically switched on and switched off respectively? Yes, this is possible. This is possible through the PIR sensor. Our body contains an infrared rays, and this infrared is sensed by the PIR sensor, and we give infrared as a input, and the PIR sensor will give output in the form of signal, and this output signal is feeded in the relay. And the relay, in there are five pins. One is normally open, one is normally closed, and one is common, and first one is VCC and another one is ground. So this relay is going to be work like that. Whenever your body come in the front of PIR sensor, it gives the signal to the relay that please switch on. And whenever there is no motion detected, then the PIR sensor will send the signal to the relay, and the relay signal will be automatically switched off. Now what this project is quite important, because first thing, your electricity should not be wasted. Second thing, there is no need of manual press. Third thing is that in our rural areas, the people are not so much caring about the corona, and this will help in and the coronavirus is staying in plastic more than 72 hours. So this will help in for our health, for our electricity, money also. The price of the electricity is going higher day by day, so it also helps in our economic budget. Now I am going to tell you about the interesting thing, and this I hope, not I hope, and I am pretty sure that this is the new content, and you do not find this content in any of the channel like YouTube or anything. You find, but this modification you will not find. And this modification is using of the 7805 sensor. This sensor, sorry, not sensor, 7805 IC. This IC, what it does, if we are using in our project, then this IC will convert your DC voltage, any DC voltage, range varying from minimum to maximum. It will convert your input to your output constantly to 5 volt. Why? There is a term called false triggering. Means if the motion is not detected, then also the PIR sensor is giving the output. So to deal with this problem, we are using the 7805 IC. Also, I have done a more modification, and this modification is like using the adapter. We are not using 7805 HW battery, because in if you are going to make project in the school, then battery is quite good. But if you are using in the real life, then I would suggest to go with the AC adapter. This will convert your 220 volt AC to DC, and there is no need to buy again and again new batteries, because according to economic budget, this will also not be good. And also for your environment, you have to throw out many batteries, which can cause a harm to the environment. So I am going to show you the how this going to be work, and how this will be operated, the circuit diagram of this project, the practical implementation, the adjusting the time delay. So in the next video, I can't able to fix the light in the proper way, so I'm sorry for that. I will try my best in the next video, but please go through the concept, not finding any loopholes. So thank you for that. I suggest you to make this, because this is very useful in your daily life, and cost is around 150 to 200. This is quite simple project. So hope so you will get all the point regarding it. And thank you for watching this video, and your video of this project and the demo is going to start now. So friends, now what I have done, I have increased the time delay from approx 2 seconds to approx 15 to 20 minutes, and as per your requirement you can change the time delay. Now whenever I will go in the front of sensor, the light will be switched on, and on will be remained on up to some time. Now it will not switched off automatically, like whenever I will go, this will be on, because in this setting, if you can able to see, in the second adjuster, this one, I have increased the time delay, and you can change the sensitivity from here and time delay from here. If you want to increase this, if you want to increase the time delay, then turn it clockwise. If you want to increase the sensitivity, then turn it clockwise. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like it, then please press the like button and subscribe it if you want. Thank you. So let's see how it's work. So as you can see that whenever I go in the front of the PIR sensor, the bulb will be automatically turned on. So let's I will show you how to make this with the help of the circuit diagram. So I am going to show you how to make this circuit with the help of the circuit diagram. So I will show you. So friend, this is the 12 volt DC adapter in which two wires are come from the 230 volt AC, and the positive terminal which is indicated as red and the negative terminal which is indicated as black in this adapter. The plus wire will go to 7805 voltage regulator. This module will convert your 12 volt DC to 5 volt DC. And further modification, I have used no battery required. As you can see, we have to minimize the use of the battery. And also, let me switch off this because this is disturbing. I have used two modification. No battery is required, as you have to buy more and more batteries, so and the consumption is of the money, and the battery is also so high. So I have used adapter here which will convert AC to DC. Second thing, which is most important, and I have seen many problem in this PIR sensor, because the voltage is fluctuating, and for this I have used 7805 which will convert 12 volt to 5 volt. Now let's come upon to the circuit diagram. Here 5 volt DC I have given to the VCC of the PIR sensor, and 5 volt DC to the VCC of the relay, and also the negative side of the 12 volt DC adapter will come to the middle of this pin, and the negative will operate as this is the emitter, this is the base, and this is the collector. So negative wire will go to the emitter part, and the collector will go as ground. And this is the circuit diagram. Here I have also used 1 kilo ohm resistance. The base and the output of the PIR sensor is connected with 1 kilo ohm resistance. So as I have to operate this bulb, I have used direct. I have given supply to 220 volt AC to the one pin, and one pin will go to the common part of the common pin of the 5 volt DC relay, and this will go to the normally open, and now the bulb will be on. So let's quickly, I am showing you the circuit diagram as I have shown, but this is the practical. So this is the red part of the wire, and this is given as input here to 7805 module. Here you can see, and this is producing 5 volt from here, and the 5 volt is given to this. Let me show you the pin. Wait, this is VCC, this is out, and this is GND. So this is all connected to the VCC pin. As you can, if you closely see, then I have used the black wire. This I have used black wire because I have to operate the 5 volt relay also. So this wire is connected one to here, the VCC pin, and I have used wrapping, and this is connected to here, the what you can say that VCC pin of the 5 volt relay. So this is all about the positive wire and negative wire. This is the negative wire, the black wire I have used. you have to take a black wire, and this is the middle part of the 7805. Take this and the negative wire and the emitter of the BC547 and attach it to the GND. Okay, and as the output pin I have used, this is resistance, and this will go to the base of the 547. Okay, so this is about, I have explained you about the positive, negative, and now come upon to the 220 volt AC. As you can see that this wire I have used directly goes to the bulb, and this wire is attached to the common pin, and this is attached to the common pin. This is attached to the common, and this is normally open, and it is connected to the bulb. Now I will show you how to operate this. First of all, you have to give supply and bulb now. As you can go in front of this, this will become operational. And I will show you, there are the two adjustment pins, this and this. The first one, this one is for the sensitivity. Wait, I will show you clearly. This one is for the sensitivity. So welcome back friends, I hope you have enjoyed each and every moment of this video, and also hope you will implement in your home so that you can conserve your electricity, you can save your money bills, and also please press the like button to keep me motivated. Subscribe to my channel to keep updated. Thank you.